Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your phone sleep time. Means guys, you want to change your screen timeout in your Xiaomi phone, so as you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change screen timeout in our Xiaomi phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start the video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting. And guys, you can see guys here always on display and lock screen. So guys, tap here, then guys click on your phone, select time means screen time mode. So as you can change from here guys. So example for web we will take the 15 second. So as now let's see. So as you can see, your phone screen is on, and guys after 15 seconds guys your phone screen will off automatic guys. Wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. And guys, you have any doubt in your Xiaomi phone, so you can ask me in comment section guys, you can see. So are you friends who have understood? So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.